Just because a project garners more and more capital doesn't mean that the price has to go up. This here is the price chart of Ondo Finance in US dollars. Here's the same chart versus the rest of the altcoin market. So how much does Ondo Finance outperform or underperform? And here is the same chart versus Bitcoin. So since the end of 2024, Ondo Finance very much constantly underperforms. Despite its TVL, its total value locked, constantly increasing. So where does the disconnect come from? It comes from tokenomics. The insiders, the team, venture capitalists, they are cashing out. Now those unlocks happen once a year, but that doesn't mean that the selling happens all at once. So the tokens get unlocked, the vesting happens, and then the team over the course of the year sells the Ondo token. And that's the fundamental issue. Yes, there is very little attention on Ondo Finance now, very little trading volume on the perpetual futures, also very little open interest, so there's very few bets being made on the Ondo token. But that doesn't mean that this is a buying opportunity. The issue is that most altcoins over the long term tend to underperform. This here is all the listed tokens on Binance and their performance in the last year. It's very hard to pick the winners. It's very likely that when we buy something, it's going down over the course of a year if the tokenomics aren't great, if the insiders continue to cash out. And unfortunately, that's the case for Ondo. If you want to see the full video, feel free to subscribe over here. Thanks for watching and see you on the channel. Cheers.